used for it. So what is a competency assessment tool? Well, it is a way for a trainee and a trainer to be on the same page. I think we can summarize it like that. I haven't described what it is, but I've described why it's important. Within this competency assessment tool, or the new versions of them anyway, because this was one of the problems with the older versions, there are, or is, a set of language which is important. And John has talked about this, Roland has talked about this. There are descriptors about how to do a procedure. There are descriptors about good or bad. And those descriptors are containing the language that we want to use to be structured about training. Because if you don't use the same language, then you will not communicate effectively. And we saw some of that yesterday, I think, in the procedures where words were being used. Pleating the colon was one, I think, Manmeet, that we had, and was not received by the trainee because the language wasn't clear. And I think that is something which we can learn from, and something which a competency assessment tool can help with. So it gives standardized language for feedback. It allows the trainer and the trainee to be on the same track. It allows comparisons between trainees and trainers, and not this one, actually. This allows comparison between trainees. Hopefully in the future, we might develop one of these, which allows comparison between trainers. So the ones you will see today will allow comparison between the trainees in terms of procedures in different locations, between different procedures. And that is super critical because EMR procedures aren't all the same. If you think about a 15 millimeter polyp in a sigmoid, easy access,